Your access to knowledge is important to us. Te Pātaka Māramatanga is your library network containing over 100,000 resources, all free for you to use. We have 7 libraries that you can access in person, online, or by phone. As a current tauira or kaimahi, you are already a member of our library. Your student ID number is your library number. This lets you borrow items and access our online resources. On our website, you can find important information and resources for our libraries. Search through our databases full of knowledge and find helpful guides to make your study easier. You can also request information online and we will email it through to you or issue and send the resource with our free courier service. We have all sorts of resources to help you, like how-to books, kids books, in Māori, English or both, biographies, art, history, and the latest Māori interest movies. But our libraries are not just about the books and items in our collections. We also provide a comfortable environment for you to study, use PCs, socialise, eat and drink, or chill out. All our information can be found on our website, TWoA.ac.nz/library.